Being a self-publisher on Amazon KDP is the best decision I have made over the years. I have not regretted it. If you are looking for ways to make passive income online, try Amazon KDP. Once you create and publish on a good niche, a good profitable niche, you will never lack money again because you will be getting consistent royalty every month from your sales on Amazon KDP. In this video, I'll be showing you 5 random KDP niches that are generating consistent profit for self-publishers who have published on these niches, including me. I'll be checking the competition, the demand, and the keyword search of these niches to determine their profitability. And I'll also be showing you some random self-publishers who are making consistent profits leveraging on this niche, and that you also can try this. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Stacy. On this channel, I always share different ways to make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. So if you love this type of content, you may want to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn the notification bell as always get notified each time I drop a new video. So in this video, I'll be showing you 5 random KDP niches that you need to try because these niches are generating consistent profit for the self-publishers who have created and published on these niches. The first niche is baby and toddler meal planner. This niche is a very profitable KDP niche, very low in competition. The niche score is very high. The keyword search is so high that people are searching for it. There is demand for this book. So I'll determine the competition, the demand, and the keyword search using bestseller rank, niche score, and total search results using Titan Quick View. It gives me a clearer picture how competitive this niche is. Looking at the niche score is very high. It's 64, and once a niche score is above 50, that niche is very good. People are searching for the keywords. So that has already shown me that this niche is good. If I publish on it, definitely I'll be recording sales. The second one is total search results. Total search result is giving 164, as you can see. This is an indication that there is no competition here. There is still opportunity for anyone to create and publish on it. It shows that the market is not yet saturated. Now for the keywords I use, baby and toddler meal planner, the exact match is 2 out of 48. Independently published is just 1 person, showing that there is still opportunity. The bestseller rank, from this summary table, you can see that the bestseller rank, the lowest is 505, which is very good. The average is 367. This lowest is a good indication that there is demand for this book. And for people who have purchased this book, the review is showing low review 0, average 916, and high is 14365, which shows that people who have purchased this book are giving good reviews. I think that this niche is very profitable. This is the number 1 niche I'll be reviewing in this video. And when you check different books published on the first page of Kindle store, you can see this is published by a publishing firm because independently published is just 1 person. So I'll be checking the demand for this book using other publishers aside in the self-publishers. So the first person here, bestseller rank is 505 in books, is rating 1 in baby food, rating 1 in natural food cooking. With the bestseller rank of 505, when you check how much this person is making using the bestseller rank of 505, you can see that this person is generating a whole lot of money every month. 505 is recording 235 copies every day, above 7,000 copies every month. And for the royalty, estimated royalty, up to $900 every month and $27,142 every single month from just 1 single book. You can see that this niche is very profitable for this seller who has created and published on it. This is the first person. I will check about 2 other persons to show you that there is demand for this niche. This is another person, a bestseller rank of 11,700 in books. rating 4 in baby food, 56 in baby and toddler parenting, 109 in quick and easy cooking. And this is you can do this as a planner or as a meal planner, either as a planner to keep track of baby meal every day and every week, every month, or you do it as a meal planner, different food to give babies every day, every month. So it has different keywords, different titles. You can see from the first page of Kindle Store, a big book of organic baby food. This other one has large meal prep planner. This is live and Apple meal planner with grocery list. So you can do it in different ways. You can do it as a meal plan with tables, with few rows, just to keep track of daily meal given to babies, or you can do it as an actual meal plan with different meals to be given to babies every day. So you can do it in two different ways. The title of this one is Make Ahead Baby Food Cookbook. So these are different keywords you can use for this niche. So as you can see, there is demand for this. This is the first one. The second one I'll be talking about is word search book for seniors with dementia. This niche is high in demand right now for seniors. Checking the competition, you can see that it is low in competition. It's less than 1,000. The total search result is 707, which shows that there's ample opportunity here to create this and publish this book. Independently published is 11. Niche score is 66. This niche score shows that the keywords people are searching for it, the niche people are searching for it. So word search book for senior with dementia is a niche you may want to try. Total search result has shown that the competition is low. Niche score shows that people are searching for it. So let's check the bestseller rank to determine the demand. This is a bestseller rank from independently published. Bestseller rank is 3,945. Checking how much this person is making, 3,945. That's that every day this seller is recording 53 copies. For every month, recording 1,590 copies. Each day, this seller is making $204 every day and $6,121 every month. This is a good niche to try. There is still opportunity here. As you can see, total search result is less than 1,000. I'll be checking the second person to show you that demand of this book is high. This is another person independently published. It's 8,138. It's far below 300,000. We show that this seller is recording sales. This is the second person. This is independently published. This is 37,077 and is rating 37 in memory improvement self-help, rating 162 in stress management self-help, rating 198 in activity books. Is a good indication that these sellers are recording sales every month. So this is the second book. This is the word search book that anyone can create and publish. So the essence of this video is to show you profitable KDP niches to try, create and publish. The fourth person, bestseller rank of 32,830 in books, 30 in aging parents, 175 in word search, 208 in word games. It's a good niche to try. The third niche I'll be showing you here is called ABC Puzzle Book for Toddlers 1 to 3. Now when you check ABC Puzzle Book for Toddlers, the search result might be very high, like 4,000, 5,000, but when you niche it down to a certain age, 1 to 3, the search results will come down to 1,315. Now it's a bit above 1,000, still within 1,000. We show that the competition is relatively low. There is opportunity here And checking the independently published, zero, meaning that it's just commercial publications that have created and published this book. So you have an opportunity to try this, to try to create this niche and publish. There are different keywords you can use, different titles you can use to create your own. To determine this keyword search, checking the niche score is very high, which is 69. Niche score is, once a niche score is above 50 is good, but this is 69, showing that people are searching for these keywords and people are searching for the niche. So that is the competition is relatively low. People are searching for it. So determine demand, we'll be checking the three different books on the first page of Kindle store to show you that there is demand for this niche. This is giving bestseller rank of 9,350. Very good. This is giving bestseller rank of 12,691. Far below 300,000, which is very, very good. It shows that this person is recording sales. I'll be showing you the third person. Third book. This is another book. School Zone 3-letter word puzzle cards. This is 21,850. So this niche, these keywords are in high demand. There is demand for this keywords, for this niche. People are searching and people are buying. So now this ABC puzzle book for toddlers 1 to 3 is a niche or keyword. There are different keywords you can use, different titles you can use to create your own. So it's a niche you may want to try to create. You can create a puzzle book using Canva and ChatGPT. So I'm not going into how to create this book right now. I'm just showing you different niches you want to try. So this is the third one, ABC puzzle book for toddlers 1 to 3. This is the fourth niche, 1 to 3 coloring book. 1 to 3 coloring book for kids. Now this niche is less competitive. Judging by the total search result, is giving 316, which shows that there is an opportunity for anyone to create and publish on this niche. Independently published is just 16, so you have an opportunity to create and publish on this niche. For the keyword search and the niche score is giving 60, above 50. It shows that there is demand for this niche. People are searching for it. And to determine demand, I'll be checking 3 different books published by individuals on the first page of Kindle store to show you that people are not just searching, people are also buying. This is independently published. This person is bestseller rank is 39,685 in books. In children's coloring book category is rating 619. It shows that this person is recording sales. To show you how much this person is making, I'll be checking this at 9,685. At 9,685. This person is not making that much, but it's not bad. He's recorded 8 copies every day, 240 copies per month, $30,000 per day, $30 per day, and less than 1,000 per month. So it's not too bad for a self-publisher. And when you have a book like this, it's just one book. If you have a couple of books like this for like 4, 5, 6 different books like this, giving you $924 every month, you know how much that will give you. This is the second person, independently published, 351 in children counting books, 374 in children alphabet books, 2,294 in children coloring books. So this person is obviously recording sales every month. So I'm checking for the third person. This is the third person, independently published as well. The bestseller rank is 33,941 in books. In other categories, is rating 547 in children's coloring books. You can see the rating. Rating is over It's up to 164 rating. It shows that this person is recording. Say for people to rate a book, shows that they've already purchased it before giving their rating. They say that this niche is very profitable for this seller and is high in demand because the self-publishers who have created and published it are making sales. The final niche I'll be showing here in this video is puzzle book for smart kids. Now, checking the niche score is 73. It's very high. It shows that people are searching for this niche. The keywords, people are searching for it. And total search result is giving 1,219. Just with little above 1,000, it's still within 1,000. It shows that there is opportunity here. You can create and publish it today. Independently published is just 6 persons that have published on this book. Then to determine demand, I'll be checking 3 different books or 4 different books published by individuals on the first page of Kindle Store. And this is the first person, difficult puzzle book for smart kids, independently published. Bestseller rank of 40,237 in books. In other categories, 73 in children's question and answer game books. Rating 143 in logic and brain teasers. Rating 193 in children's puzzle books. And the rating is up to 874 rating. This person is actually making sales every month and every day. This is the second person with bestseller rank of 154,673 in books. And in other categories, you can see this is 498 in children puzzle books, 4,862 in children activity books. And the rating is up to 29 rating. So this person is also recording. So this is the second person. The third person independently published. This is 136,355 bestseller rank in books. Another category is doing also well. Rating is up to 618. So this is an indication that there is demand for this niche. People are not just searching, people are buying. So you may want to try these 5 random KDP niches. If you are looking for ways to increase your monthly sales on Amazon KDP, the best way is to keep creating good, profitable niches and keep publishing. There is no how you keep publishing on good niches and then you cannot make sales. I create these niches as well, and I'm also making sales every month. It might not be as much as you're expecting, but at least when you accumulate all of them at the end of the month, you will have something to smile home with. So these are 5 different niches you would like to try to create and publish, and these niches are very simple to create. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I always share different ways to make passive income online. I always bring up new KDP niches to try, and as I make these videos, I publish on these niches, and I'm also recording sales. So this is something worth trying, and you know you're not spending anything creating on this. We just have to know how to create them and publish them. If you're new to my channel and you don't have a KDP account, I've made videos on how to create and verify your KDP account no matter where you are in the world. If you're in Nigeria, you can create your KDP account and verify it. Wherever you are, you can create a KDP account and verify it. And if you don't have any writing experience, you can start with low content niches, coloring book, logbook, notebook, planners, journals, a lot of low content niches you can try, and I always share them here. You can start with that and start creating your KDP books. Trust me, when I started, I wasn't this good, but over time you get better with it. So just create an account if you don't have an account and start publishing. But if you have an account, you can keep trying different niches all the time. That will be all for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in my next video.